Good afternoon, all of you. Next, we can discuss word problems related with division. Okay. Now we learned how we divide a number by a single digit number, and also we learned how we can divide a number by a two-digit number. Okay. Somebody have doubts, so that we can clear. When these word problems in there, that work will comes division by one digit and two digits. So that times to care well. If you have more doubts, then you can contact me personally. Okay. Now all of you take the textbook page number 112. Okay, page number 112. Number stories, division. So first question, all of you read that question. A milkman delivered 288 bottles of milk to a large hospital. Okay, there were 8 full crates. How many bottles were there in each crate? Okay, so here a milkman delivered 288 bottles of milk to a large hospital. Total, how many bottles of milk he delivered to the hospital? There are 288 bottles. And also it is given next sentence. There were 8 full crates. Okay, crates means big case or big box. That 288 bottles he arranged in how many crates? 8 crates. Okay, so the question is, how many bottles were there in each crate? If he arranged the total 288 bottles in 8 crates are equally, then how many bottles were there in each crate? Okay, for total hospital delivered milk bottles എത്രയാണ് 288 bottles ആണ്. ഈ 88 ബോട്ടിൽസും ഈ മിൽക്ക് മാൻ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത് 8 ഫുൾ ക്രേറ്റ്സിലാണ്. അതായത് വലിയ കേസ് ഉണ്ടാവും, വലിയ ബോക്സസ്, അതിൽ അങ്ങനെ 8 കേസസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഈ 8 കേസസിലും ഈക്വൽ നമ്പർ ഓഫ് മിൽക്ക് ബോട്ടിൽസ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ഓരോ കേസിലും എത്ര ബോട്ടിൽസ് ഓഫ് മിൽക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവും എന്നാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. സോ ഹിയർ വി വാണ്ട് ടു ഡിവൈഡ് 288 by 8, then we will get the answer. So we need steps. First we can write total number of bottles, total bottles. Okay, total bottles equal how many? 288 bottles. And next is given how many crates are there? Number of crates, that is given. Number of crates. Number of crates, that's equal to 8. Okay, then we want to find out the number of bottles in each crate. So the number of bottles in each crate equal, how we can find out? 288 we want to divide by 8. Okay, so we can do that division. So we already know how we divide a number by a single digit number. Here the dividend is 288 and the divisor is 8. So how we will start that division? First we start from the last place, that is 2. So 2 divided by 8, that is not possible because 2 is smaller than 8. So next we take the next digit. Then including that 2 digit we can take this number as 228. Then 28 divided by 8. For that we want to know the multiplication table of 8. How many? How we will get the answer? 1 into 8 8, 2 into 8 16, 3 into 8 24, 4 into 8 32. So that is not possible. So we can take 3. 3 into 8 24. Then subtracting 8 minus 4 4, 2 minus 2 0. Then what is the next step? Bring down 8. Then we got 48. 48 divided by 8. That we know 6 into 8 is 48. Okay, 6 into 8 is 48. So 48 divided by 8 will be how much? 6. So 6 into 8, 48. Subtracting, we will get 0. So what is the number of bottles in each crate? There are 36 bottles in each crate. 36 bottles. Okay, in this way we can find out that answer. Okay, next second question. All of you read the second question. A crate contains 432 eggs. 432 eggs. A shopkeeper puts a dozen eggs in each box. Okay. How many eggs in each box? A dozen. We know 1 dozen means how many? 12. Then the question is this. How many boxes of eggs can he make? അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എത്ര ബോക്സസ് എഗ്സിൻ്റെ എത്ര ബോക്സസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം? Total number of eggs is given 432. And he arranged that eggs in each box 1 dozen. Okay, in each box how many eggs are there? 1 dozen. That means 12. Then how many boxes of eggs will be there? So just same like we can find out total eggs, that is given how many? Total number of eggs is 432. Okay. Then in number of eggs in each box, what is that number of eggs in each box? That is given 1 dozen. Okay, 1 dozen we know which is that number 12. So how we can find out? What is the question? How many boxes of eggs he can make? So the number of boxes equal the number of boxes, that is equal to, we can find out the answer by dividing 432 by 12. Then we can do the division in the working column. 432 divided by 12. This is a division by 2-digit number. Okay, 432 when we divide by 12, what we will get the answer. So here when we that is round this number 432, we will get 430, and when we round 12 to nearest 10, we will get 10. So if we just, if you know the answer to do like this, no problem, you can do that directly, you can find out the answer. So if anybody have doubts for doing this division, first we can round this number 432 to 430, and 12 we can round to 10. So this division we can find out very easily. Then using that quotient we can find out the accurate answer. In fourth, when we divide a number by 10, that will be easy. How many 10 in 43? That means 43 divided by 10, that we know, that is 4. 4 into 10, 40. Then subtracting 3 minus 0 is 3. Then bring down 0. In 30, how many 10s are there? 30 divided by 10, that we know 3. 3 into 10, 30. Then subtracting we will get 0. So here also we will get the same, most we will get the approximate answer. This is approximate answer. So mostly we will get the same digit in the quotient. The first digit will be same. So in 43 how many 12s will be there? That we can check. If mostly it will be same. 12 into 4 is how much? 2 into 4 8, 1 into 4 48. So but it is not, it is possible here. Here it is 43. So we can check only in one step. So if it is 4 is not possible, then we can take the next number 12 into 3. We can check the number with multiplying the number with 3. 12 into 3, 6, 2, 3 into 2, 6, 1 into 3, 36. So that 3 we can take here. 3 into 12. This is for easy calculation. Otherwise we want to check all the numbers by multiplying with 12, 12 into 2, 12 into 3, like that. So if we know here the approximate number is 4, so sometimes we will get the quotient 3, sometimes we will get 4 or 5. Okay, there are the approximate numbers we can find out. So here we got the first digit 3. Then 3 multiply with 12, 3 into 12, 36. Then subtract 13 minus 6, that will be 7. Then here it will be 3, 3 minus 3, 0. Then what is the next step? Bring down 2, 72. So here the next digit, the second digit got 3. So we can just check what is 12 into 3, that is we know only 36. So if we take we want to reach up to 72. So we can take a number just after 3, 4, 5 or 6 like that. When we check with 6, 12 into 6, 6 into 2, 12. Carrying 1, 6 into 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, we got the exact 6 here. So 72 divided by 12 is 6. 6 into 32, 72. Then remainder is 0. So here we do the multiplication. This is for checking. Actual division is this. Then what is the quotient we got? 36. So how many boxes are there? How many boxes are there? 36 boxes. Okay. In this way we can find out the division. Okay. So next question. 2 questions we can discuss in the class, and also I will give one homework to you. Okay. Thank you.